you guys, I feel so bad. Before we even get to this video, I want to personally say to you guys, Happy New Year's. I know we almost done with January, but we still dealing with 2020 BS, so New Year's ain't starting till February. So Happy New Year's to everyone, y'all. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. I honestly feel like I neglected you guys. The videos I uploaded after the New Year's was pre-recorded, obviously. And I feel like I haven't seen you guys in so long. I said seen. I feel like I haven't spoke to you guys in so long. As you can see, your girl got braids now. But if you're following me on Instagram, I'm like, you will never miss out on anything. I'm on Instagram 24/7. So if you're not following me on Instagram, then what you doing? The main reason for this video, y'all, one, I've been missing. I've really been missing because, like, one, I'm doing a lot right now, you guys. Like, I don't want to speak on it. Well, I can speak on the wig. You guys already know the wig sale and stuff like that, the pre-owned wig sale. But other stuff, I don't want to speak on it yet. But just know, like, your girl is working. I'm not just sitting around doing nothing. I am working, okay? 2021, I'm coming for everything I deserve. And I mean that, because I just said that with my eyes closed. Like, I really mean that. I've been working a lot behind the scenes. And you guys are going to see that. The main reason why I am here today is to tell you guys about the pre-owned wig sale. Right now, it is 10 o'clock. I just got home. I'm so mad. I was supposed to record a video update you guys on everything about the wig sale. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, all the information will be there. I've been keeping everybody up to date on Instagram. But I feel bad because I'm like, not everybody I have on YouTube probably have an Instagram or probably don't follow me on Instagram. This hair is bothering me. But probably don't follow me on Instagram. But, okay, first things first. Originally, the wig sale was supposed to happen Friday at 8 p.m. It is currently Thursday, 10 o'clock p.m. And, that's not enough time for you guys. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. That is not enough time for you guys. So, I was juggling between Monday at 8 p.m. and Friday at 8 p.m. Like I said, tomorrow is Friday, so it honestly looks like I'm going to be aiming for Monday at 8 p.m. just so I can give you guys time. I have not yet dropped the link. I haven't posted on YouTube story though. I did post on my YouTube story, but I don't know if a lot of you guys keep up with that. I mean, it kind of did look like you guys keep up with that. Y'all, the views was up there. The views was up there, so you guys probably did see it. I want to make sure, like, everyone sees it. I know a lot of you guys on YouTube has been asking me if I'm selling my wigs or anything. So I honestly just felt bad. Like, I didn't come on YouTube and update you guys about anything. But like I said, here I am today. Yeah, so wig sale is going to be changed to Monday. Monday at 8 p.m. For those who don't have Instagram, I am going to, I guess, update the description box to the website link. I might either put the website link down now and just have the website, what am I saying? My brain is all over the place. I might just put the website link down now and just have the page locked until Monday at 8 p.m. Or I might just update the description box on Monday. Remember what I'm saying, you guys. I don't want nobody to say, oh, I left them out. I don't want anybody to say they didn't hear no type of information when I am giving it to you right now. I have a couple wigs to style or whatever. Now, about the wigs, this is what I'm gonna say. I'm doing it this way because I can't even count on my fingers. I had $1 for every time someone commented this under my, what you call it, videos. I would be rich as F, okay? I always get comments like, oh, I ordered this wig and it looks nothing like yours. Oh, I ordered this wig and it don't look nothing like yours. Non-stop. Non-stop. You guys see, I always show you guys how the wig look once I receive the wig. And then you guys see what I do with the wig. So if I do something with a wig, of course you guys aren't going to receive it the way I did it because I did it that way. Like, all jokes aside, I did it that way. You guys see how it looks when it come out the box, right? So, with all of the wigs, I'm doing side parts, I'm doing middle parts. I'm doing side parts, I'm doing middle parts. That's all I'm doing with the wigs, y'all. I'm gonna be straightening it, of course, and if it's curly hair, it's gonna be curly. But I am not styling the hair curly or anything. Why? Because I don't want a beginner person, you know, who doesn't know how to curl, who's expecting to get the wig curled the same way they see in the picture, and the curls they're barely there. Cause shipping now is just taking forever. So it's like, I don't want anyone to feel as if I ordered the wig from her site and it doesn't look the same way you do in the picture. Like, the curls are just not there. The curls are gone. I don't want that to happen. But as you see my wigs in the picture is as you're gonna get it. Is that even English? How you see my wigs in the picture is how you're gonna get it. Trust me and believe me when I say that. It's how you're gonna get it. The wigs are pre-plucked already. If you want to bleach, if you want to dye, you guys can do whatever you want once you receive the wig, because the hair can hold that. Now, all the trash wigs I had, them wigs are not going on the site. Them wigs are going straight in the garbage. Literally, I would not give you guys no type of trash wigs. Now, some wigs may have minimal shedding, which like the like the 613s or the curly hair. You know, because at the end of the day, my name is on it. And I do not want to mess up my name in no type of way. Once all the wig stuff is like over with, I feel like I'm gonna be back on YouTube more often. That honestly has been the only thing that's been taking up my time. I just wanted to put all my focus on that because you guys, honestly, I have one thing about me, like my whole life, like I've always started things and never finished. So once January hit, I was hard on myself about, you know, finishing this. Like, I really want to finish this because one, it's taking up a lot of space in my closet. Two, I barely wear wigs like that now. I wear it when I want. Like, these braids I got in, I'm gonna keep this in till February. I'm gonna try to, I think I just got my braids done last week, 2 weeks ago, I don't know. I just got my braids done, so after these braids I'm gonna be doing another protective style. Like, I honestly just want to take a break from wigs. Like, I feel like my whole life was just revolved around wigs, and my channel also, and that's another thing I want to talk to you guys about. I don't want to only base my channel on wigs, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, when I first started my channel, I can understand if my channel started out as a hair channel. It didn't. My channel, if you go back all the way down to my videos, I was doing everything on my channel. I was doing vlogs, I was doing makeup, I was doing pranks, I was doing everything on my channel. My channel became a hair-based channel after I did my big chop. I kid you not. Yeah, that's true. After I did my big chop is when my page became a hair-based channel. And I don't want it to be as that, y'all. Like, I don't want it to be like that because I feel like I'm in a box now. And meaning, when I say I'm in a box, I feel like I only get good views if I post hair stuff. And I don't want it to be like that. Because honestly, when I post other videos and it doesn't do as good as my hair videos, honestly, I feel like just giving up on YouTube. I ain't gonna hold you. I just feel like, alright, I don't feel motivated anymore to do YouTube. Because it's just like, what's the point, honestly? Like, all jokes aside, it's just like, what's the point of posting a video if it's not gonna go anywhere? And like right now, I don't have a wig in my head. So the videos that I'm gonna be doing, I'm not gonna tell you guys. I have a lot of videos lined up. 2021, I bought a book and I literally like jot down everything. I'm now a writer. Like, I write down everything. I'm like crossing out procrastination in my life for 2021. I'm not playing. Like I said, 2021, I'm coming for everything I deserve. I'm not joking. I'm not playing. So now that I'm not doing any wig videos at the moment, or like maybe not in the future, I don't know, because I said after my hair reached a certain length, I said I was going to stop wearing wigs. I may wear wigs here and there, but as often now as I was wearing it before, no, yeah, that's a dub. And then that was a lot of stress on me too with the companies. Like, some companies, I have great relationships with a lot of companies, but some other companies, like, the way they just be like, so if I send you the wig tomorrow, can you do it tomorrow? Like, no, that's not how it works. Like, it's plenty of other companies ahead of you. I don't know. I just feel as if, like, I don't know. Maybe I need to start a whole new channel. Maybe I just need to make a whole new channel. I don't know. Because, I don't know. I just don't know. But, I'll just see how things go with, other type of videos I post, I guess. Pre-owned wig sale is now going to be Monday at 8 p.m. What is Monday's date, y'all? Today is the 21st. Sunday is the 24th. So the 25th, you guys, the 25th at 8 p.m. The link is going to be down below. Okay? Don't say you guys missed out. Okay? I love you guys. Once again, Happy New Year's. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye. Just had a newborn with a new grind.